everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to show you the accommodation for international students of XJTLU. So to give you a brief overview, there are three main accommodations that XJTLU offer. The first one is Parfait International Apartment, which is the building that I'm staying at right now. There's also Parfait International Hotel, and there's also MBA Apartment. The most popular option for international students, especially those coming from UK or America, they generally choose this building. So that is what I'm going to show you. I'm gonna show you the complete room tour, kind of like what you get, the facilities, and also at the end of the video, after I am done showing you everything, I'm gonna talk about the pricing. So yeah, without further ado, if you're interested in today's video, then just keep on watching. Okay, so when you first come in, there are 4 lamps. This one is for the main lamp, this is for the bathroom lamp, this is for the hallway lamp, and then this is for the X house. And then there's this little hallway, and then you are met directly with the bathroom. So the bathroom has sliding doors, toilet, sink area, and then there's the shower area. You have this decent size mirror, hello, hanger to hang towels and stuff. You also will have that to put your soap and shampoo. For the sink area, there's toothbrush, toothpaste, hand soap. And then here you can also store your toiletries. You also get one trash bin from Parfait. And then here you can hang your towels. And then you get this tissue compartment. There's this hallway where I just put my laundry bags, my trash bin, and then some random shoebox to stack my clothes up. You walk out, and here is the bed area. The bed is pretty high, as you can tell, and then it has this wardrobe and drawer under it. You also get this short ladder to climb up the bed. And here, Parfait will give you a bed sheet, quite thick, quilt or blanket, and then they give you one pillow. This whole pink thing and that quilt is my own. I brought it from home. So yeah, quick little info, they change the sheets for you once every 2 weeks. Like there's this housekeeping that comes in every 2 weeks, and then they clean the room for you. But I think it's pretty cool that they keep the room organized and like they take care of it. They change the sheets, and yeah, I think it's just a little info I can put in. Moving on to the wardrobe, you get 2 big wardrobe here and then 3 drawers. For the first wardrobe, it looks like this. I just put all of my clothes here. It may look small, but in my opinion it can fit quite a lot of things inside because it goes far back, and yeah, I just keep all of my clothes here. For the second wardrobe, you get a hanger which you can pull out, which I think is pretty cool. So here I just hang all of my jackets, and under all of these thick jackets that I own, you can store quite a lot of things down there. You also get 2 drawers in which I keep random things inside. Yep. And then here you get a safe deposit box, which I think is pretty cool that you can have your own safe deposit box. And then I just store more random things. This is my medicine. So that's it for the drawer wardrobe part. Moving on, you get 1 desk, 1 chair, and originally this desk is pushed inward. So if you want to have more space here, you can just push the desk inward. But I just have it out at all times. Instead, I just store my luggage there, my laptop bag, and my yoga mat. Up here, there's quite a lot of space where you can store many things. Here, I just have my makeup and beauty products, and also my books. You also get 1 study lamp from Parfait. You can turn it off, on. And then Parfait also gives you 1 router cable. But you have to buy the router yourself. So if you want to have Wi-Fi inside your room, which most people have, you will have to buy a router by yourself. And then they provide you a Wi-Fi cable to connect you with the internet. So yeah, that's basically it. This is where I study most of the time. Parfait also gives you a heater for the winter time. It works really nicely. It is not free, by the way, you have to pay for it. So here you have a little balcony area. You get a lamp for it too. Open it, and then you have this huge window, which they have the mosquito nets, and I just keep it closed at all times because I don't want any insects coming into my room. You also have this hanger thing for when you want to dry your clothes or like to hang anything. You also get this stick from Parfait to like put your hanger up there. And here you get another drawer. If you open this up, you can see I store some of my shoes here. And then there's also this drawer where I keep my reusable bags. And then this drawer where I keep my toiletries. Also, one cool thing about the Parfait apartment is that you get this remote control. Watch this. That's pretty freaking cool in my opinion. So when you're sleeping at night, you don't have to walk all the way there to turn off the lamp. You can just press this thing. And it's pretty freaking cool. You also have air conditioner up there. And yeah, that's about it, I guess. That's the whole apartment. It's pretty freaking small, I'll admit that. But for me, personally, I don't need huge space. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a last overview of my room. So now I'm gonna talk to you about the cost of living and how often you should pay, the electricity and all of that stuff. First of all, the living cost here, it depends for how long you're staying. They divide it into different groups. You can rent for like 6 months or a year. For me personally, I chose the 1 year rent, so that way I get to pay a little bit cheaper than those that rent for like 3 months or 6 months. In my case, for 1 year long, I pay 4,050 yen per 3 months. Divide that by 3, you get 1,350 per month, and divide that by 30, you get 45 yen per day. And that is for my case, for 1 year rent. I'm pretty sure if you rent for like 6 months or less than that, the rent per day will be a little more expensive. So I'm gonna sum it up for you. The longer your contract, the cheaper the rent per day will be. So for example, if you rent for 1 year, then your rent per day will be cheaper than if you rent for 6 months only. And in my case, I rent for 1 year and you have to pay per 3 months. And the fee is 4,050 renminbi or 4,050 yen, which is roughly 45 yen per day. And then you get to renew it when your contract time is up. Also, I forgot to mention, but I'm pretty sure you have to pay for a deposit the first time you come here. You have to pay a deposit of, I think it's either 2,000 RMB or 3,000 RMB. They're gonna hold it until you don't live here anymore. Okay, so that's for the rent. Moving on to electricity, you're gonna have to pay the minimum amount of 200 RMB. It's kind of like a quota system. So you pay 200 RMB and then you get to use electricity for that amount of money. And then when you run out, they will put a notice on your door and then you get to recharge it every time. I don't really keep track, but I think for me personally, the 200 RMB will run out after a month and a half or 2 months. So yeah, that 200 RMB lasts roughly for 1 until 2 months. And then you have to just recharge it every time. That's the minimum amount, by the way. So you can pay more than 200, but you cannot pay less. I think that's all for the fee factor. As for the internet, you just have to buy a router and you don't have to pay for the internet anymore. They will pay it for you. And the water, it goes into the electricity part that I told you about, the 200 RMB. Also, tiny little warning or like notice. You can hear basically everything. Now that's too dramatic. You can hear stuff from the rooms around you because the walls here are so freaking thin. So you can hear your roommates, you can hear upstairs, downstairs. I mean, it's not really that clear. Sometimes when you hear people talk, it's like a muffled sound. But yeah, just be aware of that. Just a little warning for you guys. Okay, my battery is almost dead. Okay, I forgot to mention, but you also get laundry service. There's a laundry room at every single floor. You get 3 laundry machines and then 1 dryer machine. Not all of the dryer machines work. You can go to another floor, but all of the washing machines work and it's free. A lot of other accommodations does not have washing machine for free. So that's one good thing about living here. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask me on the comment section below or contact me through Instagram. I will put the link down in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys next time. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.